In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your watchlist on CoinMarketCap. This is an essential tool for anyone who wants to stay informed about the ever-changing world of cryptocurrency, enabling you to keep track of the data that matters most to you. First things first, let's navigate to the CoinMarketCap website. Open your browser and type in coinmarketcap.com. Once there, you'll find an extensive array of data right at your fingertips. This site is a comprehensive resource for cryptocurrency pricing and market information. You can discover a wealth of data here, from the latest price updates to deeper insights into different cryptocurrencies. Now that we're on the home page, our next step is to head over to the watchlist feature. To do this, locate and click on the watchlist button, which should be prominently displayed on the navigation bar. This feature is particularly helpful for tracking specific cryptocurrencies you're interested in. Once you've navigated to the watchlist, you'll want to click on the Customize button. This will allow you to tailor the list to better suit your needs. As you customize, you'll notice a variety of metrics you can choose to display. For our purposes today, let's start by selecting the 24% in BTC option. This metric will give you an idea of how much a particular cryptocurrency's value has changed in terms of Bitcoin over the past 24 hours. Understanding these percentage changes can be crucial for making informed decisions about your investments. Next, click on the Volume 24H option. Volume refers to the number of coins that are traded in the last 24 hours and is a key indicator of how actively a cryptocurrency is being bought and sold. High volume can signal strong interest or activity in a specific cryptocurrency, which is often an important factor to consider when evaluating potential investments. After choosing the 24% in BTC and volume 24H metrics, it's time to apply these changes to your watch list. To do this, simply click on the Apply Changes button. This will refresh the page and update your watch list to now reflect these specific metrics, allowing you to have a snapshot view of the most pertinent data with ease. And there you have it. Your CoinMarketCap experience is now customized to provide you with the data you find most valuable. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just getting started, having a personalized watch list can significantly enhance your ability to monitor and react to market conditions. Remember, keeping your finger on the pulse of market trends is crucial in the fast-paced world of cryptocurrency. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.